Fuel injection pumps are the backbone of diesel engines and many heavy-duty industrial engines. Their primary role is to deliver fuel at the precise pressure and timing necessary for efficient combustion. Without a properly functioning fuel injection pump, engines can lose performance, emit excessive smoke, or experience early wear. One notable solution in the aftermarket market is the 6I1173 pump GP fuel injection from G&T Engine Parts. This pump is designed to replace older or failing OEM units while providing reliable performance and precision fuel delivery. The 6I1173 pump is manufactured to meet tight tolerances and stringent performance standards. Its internal components, including plungers, pistons, and seals, are machined with high precision to ensure consistent pressure. Durable materials are used throughout the pump to resist corrosion, wear, and heat, making it suitable for engines operating under demanding conditions. These features help maintain stable fuel delivery across a wide range of engine speeds and loads. This aftermarket pump is compatible with a variety of industrial and heavy-duty engines. Choosing an aftermarket option like the 6I1173 allows operators to replace failing components without the long wait times or higher costs associated with OEM replacements. For machinery operators, fleet managers, or maintenance teams, this pump provides an accessible and dependable solution for fuel system maintenance. Proper installation and calibration are critical, as even slight deviations in timing or pressure can affect engine efficiency. Ensuring that the pump is adjusted according to manufacturer specifications is essential for optimal performance. One of the major advantages of the 6I1173 pump is its ability to maintain consistent fuel flow under varying conditions. Whether an engine is idling, accelerating, or under full load, this pump ensures precise delivery of fuel. Consistent fuel delivery enhances combustion efficiency, reduces engine smoke, and contributes to smoother operation. This precision is particularly valuable in heavy-duty applications where engine reliability and efficiency are critical. Durability is another important factor. Modern manufacturing techniques and high-quality materials ensure that the 6I1173 pump can withstand high pressures and long-term use. Reports from users indicate that this pump can operate reliably for thousands of hours, even under continuous heavy-duty conditions. This makes it ideal for construction machinery, agricultural equipment, and industrial engines that cannot afford frequent downtime. Installation is straightforward for those familiar with engine fuel systems. The pump connects seamlessly to fuel lines and timing mechanisms, just like the original OEM unit. While professional installation is recommended for those unfamiliar with fuel system calibration, experienced technicians can install the pump themselves. Correct alignment, pressure, and timing settings are essential to prevent engine inefficiencies and ensure reliable operation. Availability is another practical advantage of aftermarket pumps like the 6I1173. OEM parts can sometimes have long lead times, delaying critical maintenance. Aftermarket solutions are often more readily available, allowing machinery operators to minimize downtime and maintain productivity. This can be particularly important for businesses that rely on continuous operation to meet project deadlines. The 6I1173 pump also provides a cost-effective solution. While OEM units are often expensive, aftermarket pumps can deliver similar performance at a lower price. This makes them an attractive option for businesses or operators that require multiple replacements over time. Investing in a high-quality aftermarket pump can reduce maintenance costs while ensuring engine reliability. From a technical perspective, fuel injection pumps rely on precise mechanisms to generate pressure and timing. The 6I1173 pump has been engineered and tested to maintain this precision, ensuring smooth engine operation. Properly calibrated, it delivers the exact amount of fuel at the correct time, maximizing combustion efficiency and minimizing emissions. This is crucial for engines operating in regulated environments or under heavy workloads. Maintenance for the 6I1173 pump is straightforward.